Hello, this is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. As you can see, we're sort of feeling a little bit more confident that Clinton's looking a little bit stronger in these polls towards the end. So we didn't do too many. We leaned into a few trends, which actually largely did pretty well today. Especially our market, as you can see, it didn't really have that. We did have a good jump up yesterday, so today we didn't. We're up a bit slightly. I think we could have done a little bit better, but I think our market is. There are some results like I think the IPD tip poll, which is the most accurate ever, puts Clinton in the lead. So I think there is still that little bit of doubt, and I think over the next 24 hours, if it's sort of confirmed Clinton wins, I think our market could have another sort of nice little maybe 3 or 4% spike up. And what I do expect if that happens, like the dominoes, which we put on this morning, and actually since then moved up another 4%, so it's looking pretty good for us. The dominoes could jump up a little bit more. Obviously, I think Ramsey Healthcare, just there's no reason, it can't again hold this sort of moving average and start moving up. And obviously Hansen Group, I think it's starting to be good little stories again, good little trends. We put them on, and we chose those ones in particular. Again, we've gone into I think some of the really good fundamental companies. So if there is a chance that obviously it goes against us and Trump does win, then we're certainly going to be a little bit protected by trending what we call quality companies. Um, you know, the generally speaking, the pollsters, 90% of them obviously believe Clinton's going to win. Just to throw the cat amongst the pigeons, someone did send me this nice little article about Nostradamus, and Nostradamus actually 500 years ago he said Trump was going to win. So it's going to be a great little election coming up. It's going to be really interesting to see who's going to win. Um, I do like what Nostradamus actually called Donald Trump. He called him the audacious baller. So this is one of his verses that he says, "The great, shameless, audacious baller. He will be elected governor of the army. The boldness of his contention, the bridge broken, the city faint from fear." So, yeah, I think that's a great name. I don't think you could describe him even better than an audacious baller. But anyway, Nostradamus certainly backing Trump, and I think it's going to be very, very, very interesting. Nostradamus actually did make quite a few predictions around this year, and I think one of them I was reading this afternoon. One of them was a UFO attack. Now, I think if anything is going to really get gold moving up strongly, is a UFO attack. So, for those who obviously are big bullish on gold, and they see Clinton Clinton winning and gold going down, well, don't panic. With a potential UFO attack, it could do gold a world of good. Joking aside, I think it's good to see some of the sort of other stocks, like sort of Babcor. Again, really, if you're not in this company, and I'm sure you are, because we trended this one a long time until I picked it at the wrong level, but it's looking really, really good. So if you're not in it, I think get in it. It looks very, very good. Again, Vocus holding that sort of long-term moving average. Really, that buy signal again moved up a little bit today, so even it looks better than ever. ORE again, just doing everything right. So many of these stocks have just had this move over the last sort of 2 months, and again looks absolutely solid. And I think obviously these gold stories, gold did surprisingly well today. I think held up pretty well. So it just shows that the market, there are still nerves out there. We haven't actually gone, just having a look at these 3-year growth stories again. The ones that we said could have a bounce, or basically started bouncing a little bit. The Appins, the Adasols. I think we've got to be a little bit careful. It's good to see obviously some of the, main pharma. We said that was oversold the other day. Since then, it's been up about 15-16%, coming back to not far off where we brought it. But companies are doing well. Over the wire is doing well. Obviously, Blackmores is coming back, up a nice 2%. A2 Milk, again, time and time again, we go on about how we like this company. They've got the whole world open to them to really grow their model. Good price action. I mean, again, there's no reason why this now can't start moving a little bit up, sort of in a more sort of aggressive fashion upwards. Again, great chart pattern. Looks absolutely stunning. Another little gem is that ALU. I think I've got that in my sights. If Clinton wins, I think it looks like an absolutely awesome chart. I'd just like to say some of the other companies that we spoke a while back about sort of getting quite bullish again, and we did put Tox on, it's got a lot of sort of possible revenue streams with the resource industry picking up. And again, I think just look at IGO, and I think we spoke about this stock quite a few times. And again, absolutely stunning, and hitting record highs today. And again, I think this looks absolutely stunning right now. So it's a good chance I'll be watching this, how it's trading towards the end of the week. But I think again, this is we've got to try and include this stock somehow in one of our portfolios, and I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Anyway, I think our life's going to be a lot easier, possibly trading this market once we know who's ruling the world, so to speak. And I look forward to bringing you this report tomorrow night. Thank you, and good night.